Welcome again to all of you in your favorite YouTube channel Max Guru Alchemist. Today I am going to start another sums from class 9th mathematics of Hindi. Today I am going to start to another question from class 9 mathematics book English medium. In the first question we have given 2 की power x equal 3 power y equal 6 power minus z, and we have to show 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z equal 0. So here we can solve this question like this. We can write whatever we have given like this: 2 की power x equal 3 की power y equal 6 power minus z equal k. let 2 की power x equal 3 power y equal 6 power minus z equal k. So we can take 2 की power x equal k. So 2 equal k power 1 upon x. Again here 3 power y, this value and this value, 3 power y equal k. So we can write 3 equal k power 1 upon y. Again 6 power minus z equal k. So we can write 6 equal k power minus 2. We know 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Now we can write here we are looking 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So we can write 6 equal 2 into 3. Now putting the value of 6, 2, 3. Value of 6 equal k power minus 1 upon z. Value of 2 equal k power 1 upon x. Value of 3 equal k power 1 upon y. Here we are looking in this line that value of this. In this value, base equal k and exponent equal 1 upon x. And in this value also base is k and exponent is 1 upon y. So there is multiply, sign of multiply between these two values. So we know very well that when two values have same base, then we can add the exponents. We can write k power 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal k power minus 1 upon z. So here this is base of k, this is here base is k and here also base is k, but here exponent is this and here exponent is this, so exponents are different. So we can write comparing exponent from both sides. Compare exponent from both sides. So here exponent was minus 1 upon z and here exponent was 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Again we can write 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. We can take minus 1 upon z in this side, so it will change its sign like this: 1 upon z, its sign will be plus, and here is 0. We can write 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z equal 0. This is we have to show 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z equal 0, and it is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z equal 0, that it is our movement. So 2. Again in this question, value of x is given to us, that is x equal 2 power 1 upon 3 plus 2 power 2 upon 3, and with the help of this value we have to show x cube minus 6x equal 6. So we can write movement x cube minus 6x equal 6. Here we can write putting the value of x. Here we can write putting the value of x. Then we will put the value of x. So we can write 2 power 1 on 3 plus 2 की power 2 upon 3 whole power 3 minus 6 into putting the value of x. So 2 power 1 upon 3 plus 2 power 2 upon 3. We have to, so this is equal to 6. Now here we are seeing that this is first value, this is second value, and this is whole cube. This is whole cube. So we can write this is whole cube. We know that a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So we can write this value here. When it was a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, so we can write this value like this, 1 upon 3 cube. This is in the place of a. In the place of a, this is, so a cube equal 2 power 1 upon 3 cube plus value of b, that is 2 power 2 upon 3 cube b cube plus 3ab. So plus 3 value of a. Value of a was this. So we can write 2 power 1 upon 3, and value of b was this. So we can write 2 power 2 upon 3, and bracket a plus b. So we can write 2 power 1 upon 3 plus 2 power 2 upon 3. Now this line was the value of this. Now we can write minus 6 into 2 power 1 upon 3 plus 2 power 2 upon 3 equals 6. Hello students, we know some formulas, that x power a equal power b. So we can write x power, we multiply these exponents with x power a into b. This is our exponential formula, and again we know, and when x power a into x power b equal x power a plus b. These are same base. These two values have same base. So when we multiply this, then we can write like this. Again, now we can solve this question like this. 2 की power 3 upon 3 plus 2 की power 2 into 3 upon 3 plus 3 2 की power same base, so we will add the exponents. 2 की power 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 2 की पावर 2/3 minus 6 into 2 की पावर 1/3 plus 2 की पावर 2/3 equals 6. Now we know we can cut 3 from 3 and this from this. That is 2 power 1, that is 2 plus 2 power 2, that is 2 to the 4 plus 3 and into 2 here exponents are added 3 and 1 plus 2 into 2 power 1/3 plus 2 power 2/3 minus 6 into 2 power 1/3 plus 2 power 2/3 equals 6. 4 to 6 plus 3 into 2 power 2/3 3/3 into 2 power 1/3 plus 2 power 2/3 minus 6 power 2 6 into 2 power 1/3 plus 2 power 2/3 equals 6. Now that is 6 plus 3, we can cut 3 from 3, so 2 power 1 equal to 3 to the 6 into 2 power 1/3 plus 2 power 2/3 minus 6 into 2 power 1/3 plus 2 power 2/3 equals 6. Now we are looking here, this is value plus 6 into 2 power 1/3 plus 2 power 2/3 and this is minus 6 into 2 power 1/3 plus 2 power 2/3. So this is value of positive sign and this is the value of negative sign. So we can cut this value from this value. So value from this value, then we find 6 equals 6. That is our LHS equal RHS total. So all of you can solve these two sums, secure very good marks in your examination. So continue and write out.